My name's Ben, and today we've got another fabulous sports car to show you around. This is a 2019 on a 69 registration Porsche 718 Cayman GTS, so the 2.5 litre turbocharged engine, and the GTS in the Cayman, in my opinion, is the sweet spot of the range. You get lovely specifications, some lovely features on the inside, because this car's also got a GTS interior package, which gives you a combination of leather and Alcantara, and we'll show you more of that as we go around. The details of this particular car: 31,000 miles from new, a full Porsche main dealer service history, paint protection film to the front end, including up the A-pillars and the first couple of inches of the top of the roof there as well. So the car's been looked after beautifully. It's crayon, which is one of the most popular Porsche colours, and it's got some lovely options over and above standard. So we'll do our best to point out as much of those as possible. But starting at the front end, being a GTS, you've got the full sports design package. So you've got these gloss black sections in the front bumper, along with that extended front splitter at the bottom there. We've got the PDLS Plus headlights, so the most powerful light system you can have on a Cayman, with the 4 LED daytime running lights in the corners there. Painted headlight washer system covers, again a cost option. Beautiful satin black 20-inch alloy wheels with the full colour Porsche crest, which again is a cost option, along with those contrast red painted brake calipers. You've got the GTS model designation on the bottom of the doors there, PPF on the door mirrors as well, and then have a look inside. We've got that GTS interior package in black with the crayon contrast stitching, extended leather to the tops of the door cards and the dashboard, sports chrono package plus, Alcantara steering wheel, model designation embossed in the headrests as well, or stitched in the headrests, and the full carbon fibre interior trims, which are really, really nice touch. Being a Cayman, you've got a frunk and a boot, so lots and lots of storage space. The lovely LED tail lights, very intricate as well. If you actually look at these quite close up, there's a lot of design sort of details in there. They're a really nice unit to look at. Gloss black section that joins the two lights together just underneath this deployable rear spoiler, so this will lift up either at the press of a button or at speed. And we've got the satin black painted model designation across the back there. Sports design rear diffuser, so much more aggressive diffuser sections with the crayon painted bits on there as well. And the black sports exhaust system there, which is a really nice touch. Rear park distance control in the rear bumper as well. And now we'll jump inside and talk through some of the interior features. So starting on the driver's door card, as I said earlier, extended leather across the tops of the door cards with the beautiful contrast crayon stitching, carbon fibre interior trims, and Alcantara on the armrests and the grab handles. Part of being a GTS is that you get lots of Alcantara around the car. Cubby holes everywhere you look, so storage in the bottom of the doors there, storage in the underneath the speaker grille, and it is the BOSE sound system in there as well, so a lovely option to have the BOSE sound system. Power folding door mirrors, again a cost option. And then I'll just grab the key, fire the car into life, and show you through some more of the interior features. Car sounds great, obviously 2.5 litre turbocharged engine. Steering column, very adjustable, you can get yourself nice and comfortable, forwards, backwards, up and down. And then because we've got the sports chrono package, you get the mode switch on the steering wheel, where you can switch between sport plus and an individual, along with a sport response button, so you get 20 seconds of full power if you need to overtake somebody or anything like that at the press of a button, so very nice touch. Metal gear shift paddles for the PDK gear shifting, and then coming across to the centre, I'll just move the steering wheel out of the way so you can see a bit better. Porsche's own navigation system, again a very up-to-date system, PCM with Apple CarPlay as well if you plug your phone in. Dual zone climate control in the front here, heated seats for driver and passenger, carbon fibre all down the centre here, that switchable sports exhaust system, which does make a difference, very nice button to have, and a cost option as well, even on a GTS. Start, stop, and then your rear spoiler, which will go up and down on there. Alcantara and leather on the armrest, which is a nice detail, and obviously lots of storage under there as well. And Alcantara roof lining, which again is a cost option. So lots and lots of options over and above a standard Cayman GTS. It's a really nice place to sit, and these are great cars to drive. If you want a car to drive fast without losing your license, this is a great choice because they handle incredibly well. They are very fast and you will lose your license if you're not too careful. But this one, in terms of specification, is right up there in the best color of Crayon with that paint protection film, which alone is approximately £1,500 in today's prices of added protection to the front end of the car. So condition-wise, it's absolutely beautiful. My name's Ben. I hope the video's helped and thank you very much for watching.